Now we will create a command which will fetch the names and salary of the persons whose salary are in a specific range and whose job ID are 10 or 20. So let's see what is the command. So we will write select name and salary to display the name and salary of the employees, and from the table name where now we will write the conditions. So we will write salary between, so there is a keyword between this, we use this keyword while defining some range. So salary between 5,000 and 12,000. So this between keyword includes the given range. So if the salary is between 5,000 and 12,000, this condition will be true. And there is another condition, not on, we have given two conditions here, that is the salary should be between 5,000 and 12,000 and job ID should be either 10 or 20. So I will write job ID 10 or job ID equals to 20. So now we will run it. So let's run it and check if it satisfies our condition or not. So you can see here in the output screen we have got the outputs where the salary is not in the range but it is showing in the output screen. Like for Hashirama, the salary is 17,000. So it is not in the range of 5,000 and 12,000. Then why it is showing inside the output screen? Because here the query reads the conditions wrong. Up to the or operator, that is from the salary between 5,000 to 12,000 and job ID 10, this whole thing is considered as a single condition, and after the or operator the thing is considered as other condition. So if it does not even suits the first condition, but if the job ID is 20, so then it is appeared in the output screen, but that's not what we require. So how can we resolve this issue? We will simply add brackets between the two conditions which we will add through AND operator. So now if we run it, so let's see here the job ID 10 or 20 is considered as one condition and the salary range is considered as other condition. So only if that both the conditions are satisfied, then it will come to the output screen. So see, now the Hashirama output is gone from the output screen. Only these two which satisfied both the conditions are in the output screen. So let's see something new now. Now we will make a column which will show the increased amount of salary. So we will increase the salary of the employees by 15% and we will show the increased salary in a column and give it a name, something else like increased salary. So how to write that? We will just do the calculation inside the select query. So after ename comma, we will also show the names and also show the salary, that is the increased salary part. So we will just do salary into 115 and divide the whole thing by 100, and we will rename this column as increased salary. So now let's check and run it. So see, here is the increased salary column. So everyone's salary is increased by 15%. So now we will see another thing, that is how much the salary increased. So we will see three columns, that is the basic salary which was previously inside the table, and now the salary after increasing, and what is the amount that is increased from their previous salary. So let's write this query. Let's rename this increased salary as new salary, and we will also print the salary, that is the previous salary, and now we will also add a new column that will show the increase in the salary. So what we have to do? We will just subtract the old salary from the new salary and print this as a increase, that is I will name the increase column as increase. So now let's run this query. What we will see? Let's run it and check. See, there is an error message, that is new salary is not a valid identifier. As I have said earlier that we have just modified the salary column and increased it by 15% and named it in new salary. So this update will just show on the output screen, but it will not affect our base table, in our base table there is no column named new salary, so we cannot find and do operations on a column which is not present in our main table. So we just have to do this operation using the salary column which is already present in our base table. So we'll just copy the whole thing which we used to make the increased salary column, and now we will subtract the basic salary which it was already present inside our table from that, and now we will name that whole thing as increase. So now see, we will also add the salary column so you guys can understand the increase in the salary. Now let's run it and see. Here we will get 4 columns in our output screen, that is the name and the salary that is already present inside our table, and the new salary that is the increased salary, and the increase in the salary that is the new salary minus the old salary. So guys, if you understand and like my concepts, please do subscribe and share with your friends, as many friends as you can. So goodbye for today.